Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can make an Excel table. So over here, as you can see, we have this option called Format as Table. Quickly convert a range of cells to a table with its own style. Now, or you could just come up here and press on this, and yeah, that's going to be your table. So we're just going to Alt Tab out. Just remove that. So now select the boxes you want as a table, and then you can either press on this, and if your table has headers you can press on that. Since it's just a quick tutorial of how to make tables, I'm not going to show that much, but you just want to press on OK, and that's going to be it. And then from here you can change up the design. For example, if I want it to be black and white, black, gray, white. If I wanted to have inner lines, I can just press on that. So, and if I want it to be black and blue, I can also do that. So it's as simple as that. It's not really that complicated. So let's do it one more time. From home this time, we're not going to go to insert. From home, select the amount of squares you want as a table, then press on format as a table, select the style you want, and then press on OK, and that's it. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.